This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Wanda Chang. Lovingly maintained 2-story El Sobrante Hills view home, 3 bedrooms plus den/office and 2.5 updated baths. High vaulted ceilings welcome you into the open floor plan living room and dining area. The modern kitchen has a deep greenhouse window looking out to the cheery backyard. The kitchen adjoins family room with fireplace. Convenient half bath completes the main floor. The level backyard is ideal for entertaining or relaxing under the covered patio. The garden includes a hot tub and fountain and has side yard for 1-1 basketball. No details were spared on finishing the spacious double garage floors with beautiful high-grade epoxy coating. For more information, review the details below or contact Wanda Chang at 4